Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today we're making corn cakes for Abraham Lincoln's birthday.
Why? Because it was one of his favorite foods, right?
Yeah.
And you can tell what this is.
What is it?
It's the first.
What is it, Zoe? It's flour. You dork.
There's already a little in there because Grandma.
It was a demo. Yeah. Okay. Now what?
Now what do you put in?
Cornmeal.
Because it's yellow and it's meal. It's red meal. Sugar. It's sugar. Yummy.
Sugar. Yes. What's that, Zoe?
Baking soda.
Baking powder.
Powder. Zoe, powder. Not baking soda.
The ingredients list is going to be listed in the description box.
Okay. And then
some salt.
Yeah, some salt. Zoe's doing all the dry ingredients while
Whisk
I
that
do
together.
all the wet.
Okay, you can do all the way.
Whisk it. Whisk it first.
Whisk it. Now stir it up. You want me to do it? I'll do it.
Okay, that's nice and combined. And now what are we doing next?
We're going to do the wet ingredients.
Okay, which are?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Butter, egg.
Okay, put the buttermilk in.
Okay. Just, take that.
There you go. Get it all in there. What's next, Emma?
Butter, just normal butter.
Melted butter.
Yeah, melted butter.
Egg.
And and then some egg. I don't eat egg yet. That flop was just weird. I like that. I like how weird that was. Just a big fat flop.
Okay, break that yolk up. Get that mixed in. Now what? Now it's all stirred. What are we going to add next?
We're going to add these 3 ingredients.
Okay.
Do
one at a time.
We're going to do this one.
What's that?
It is,
a plant ingredient.
No, it's a...
It is a plant ingredient.
Yeah.
It's chives.
Yeah, it's chives.
That's from our garden.
Yep. Our grandma grows it. Frozen corn. I like eating frozen corn like in the other video that I said. Remember, guys? If you guys haven't watched that, you should. It's red. It's fun. It's me and our gram. And now we're going to add a cheddar cheese. I like how it rhymes, cheddar cheese.
Okay, that's good. Now let me spray the griddle here.
Yeah, the griddle.
Measuring cups that I gave you. Each get a measuring cup, 1 orange and 1 white.
It's going to start cooking.
That's good. Now Emma, do one.
Okay.
Just dump it, honey. You don't have to do all that. You just got to dump it out. There you go. Okay. Now Zoe.
Zoe's making it bigger when I'm the biggest one.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Because you kind of overflowed it. So, see? You're spilling. Making a mess for Grandma to clean up. No bueno.
That means no thank you, huh?
No good. Okay, we can do 1 here and 1 here now. Now we're waiting until these are done.
So
And then when they're done on one side, we're gonna flip them over and cook them on the other side. We are eating like a president today, because this is what President Lincoln used to love. When he was president, they used to cook these in the White House. We'll be right back.
Just watching. I knew
These are just like pancakes. You're gonna wait until they get little bubbles on them, until you see they're a little brown around the edges.
And we're gonna flip them like
And we're gonna flip them like pancakes.
Yeah.
Huh. Let's see. Ooh, look at that.
It's like pancakes, guys, because it is.
Okay, that wasn't too bad for a 4-year-old. But you want to try and not touch the other pancake. You want to try and just keep it to its own. See how these aren't touching? You want to try and keep it to its own.
Because Grandma did that.
Like
Okay,
this.
I want to try. There we go. Oh gosh. Okay.
Just scooch it under there. It's okay.
Thanks, Grandma.
Oops. You go under and then flip it. Try and go under it and then flip it. Go scooch it under. Do it with my hand. You want to see? Now flip it. There we go.
It's kind of like a pancake.
And it's still going to taste the same.
Yeah, it's just
No matter what it looks like, right?
Yeah.
Okay, another couple of minutes. So about 2 to 3 minutes up per side. You eat these, you can eat them like a regular pancake, and you can have them with maple syrup and butter, or which is how I guess Abe Lincoln used to eat it, or you can make it like a potato pancake and put like sour cream on it. So.
Oh my flipper.
Okay, take them off of the thing now.
Okay, one of them's already done, so it's delicious.
What's it taste like?
I'm gonna take this big.
Like a pancake. It tastes like a legendary pancake, huh, Zoe? Tastes like a legendary.
Tastes good just by itself, huh? Wonder what it
Yeah.
tastes like with sour cream on it.
Probably delicious. I should make my mom to make these.
Mmm, these are good.
I know, right? They're delicious.
Well, now I know why Abraham Lincoln liked them, because they're delicious.
That's what I just said.
Old Honest Abe. All right, we're done now.
Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Make these at home. Make some corn cakes, some Abraham Lincoln corn cakes at home.
So long.
And eat like a president, like we did today.
Bye.
Yum.